kitchen, particularly if you want to make this thing shine. How will I do? This one, the vinegar is a good product to remove the watermark. So it's a solution, guys, if you want to make your shiny. Hang on. Just dry it with a cloth. Then you can see shiny metal after. So that's the secret, guys, that I'm sharing with you. It will make the metal shine. And it will make your kitchen fresh. Looking fresh. Oh, can you see? All you need is a vinegar. So shiny. No watermark.